Environment Group Ltd is a professional manufacturer of marine UV lamps, specializing in providing high-quality and cost-effective UV lamp replacements for Alfa Laval Ballast water treatment systems (BWTS). Our products are designed to perfectly match the operational requirements of Alfa Laval systems, ensuring stable and efficient performance in ballast water treatment processes. Core advantages of our UV lamp replacements: high quality. Our UV lamps adopt premium materials and advanced manufacturing processes, meeting strict marine industry standards to ensure long service life and reliable sterilization effects. Cost effective. We offer competitive prices while maintaining product quality, helping customers reduce maintenance costs of ballast water treatment systems without compromising performance. Perfect compatibility. Each UV lamp replacement is precisely designed for Alfa Laval BWTS, including models like Pure Ballast, ensuring seamless installation and direct replacement without system modifications. Key product series for Alfa Laval BWTS. Reliable support for marine operations. Our UV lamp replacements play a crucial role in maintaining the efficiency of Alfa Laval BWTS. They effectively eliminate harmful microorganisms in ballast water, helping ships comply with international marine environmental regulations. With stable performance and easy maintenance, our products have become a trusted choice for marine maintenance and operation teams.